In this video, I'll show you how to update your JVC TV. There are 4 different kinds of JVC TVs. Some of them are running Android TV, some of them have the Fire TV, Roku, and well, some of them don't have anything of these. So I'll show you what to do for each of them. For the JVC Roku TV, you need to go on the left side over there in that menu and go into Settings. Once you're there, click OK, and then on this menu you need to go down, all the way down where it says System. Again, once you're on it, press the OK button on the remote control, and in this menu you need to go down where you see System Update. Once you're there, press OK, and from there you need to click the Check Now button. It will search and find an update if there is one. Then you need to select Update Now, and from then it will just do its thing. It will take a few minutes and you'll be done. If you have a JVC Android TV, you need to click on the settings wheel on the top right corner of your screen. Then need to go all the way down where it says About. And finally, just go in System Software Update. It should be one of the first options. And again, from there, you'll be able to search for an update and install it. If you have a JVC Fire TV, then you need to go in the settings wheel right there on the right side of the screen, and then down until you go and you are over My Fire TV. Then in this menu, you need to go in About. And finally, you need to go down where Check for Updates. If there is an update, there will be a pop-up and you'll be able to install it. Here I don't have any, so nothing is happening. If your JVC is none of these, well, you just have to press the menu button on the remote control, then select System, select Settings, then you need to go and select More because it's not there, and then select Software Update. Finally, you'll have a button to scan for new updates, and if there is one, it will be presented to you and you'll be able to install it. If you're still having issues with your JVC TV, I recommend that you unplug it from the wall, wait 5 minutes, and then you can plug it back, and well, usually this solves many kinds of problems that you may have. I hope this video was useful. If so, please leave a like, a comment, also check the links in the description. And I will see you in the next one.